What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making a cheesy gordita crunch. Awesome Taco Bell recipe, so come on in, let's check out these ingredients. It's going to be a quick one. So right here, these are the hard shells that we're going to use, and these are the soft shells that we're going to wrap the hard shell in. We got lettuce, that's iceberg lettuce right there, shredded up already. We got some cheese, that's sharp cheddar and Mexican style mixed together. We got 1 pound of ground beef. We got Taco Bell seasoning that we're going to use on this, and we're going to mix that in water. We got this that we're going to try, Baja sauce. And then I'm going to make my own spicy ranch out of some of that. And yeah, that's about it. So got the griddle warming up. Got the griddle warmed up now. We're at about 350. We have these two burners on medium. This burner's all the way low, this one's off. So let's get a little oil down, put a little oil over here for that jalapeno we got. Let's just throw this mother on here. Try not to touch it, I'm tired of washing my hands. Getting sick of it. Just don't want to get all the juices. All right, there we go. Alright, let's cut that up. It was frozen, so it's a little tough. There we go. There we go. Just let it heat up. Get some of that oil back in here. Alright, now we're just going to let this stuff cook up. This is going to be real fast. I mean, this is the only thing I have to cook, so yeah, we're going to be not doing too much griddling. Got a little frozen one here. Alright. So as we got this going, I'm going to turn that down a little bit. I'm going to make my spicy ranch. Alright, so we got, this is the kind of ranch that we like to buy. It's a really good brand. I don't even know how to, Marzetti. So I'm just going to throw about, let's see here. That's about 4 tablespoons. And then we're gonna put a little sriracha in here. Just like so. There you go. So the meat is just about done. It's still going to be cooking more because I'm going to be dumping this sauce with water on it. So let's just get it like that. Then we got the sauce. Now that equates to about a 1/4 cup of seasoning. Then it says to mix 3/4 cup of water with it. I feel like it's just faster to go with 1/2 cup. Just cooks out faster. But you want to put some water in with it because it helps to coat all the meat real well. Just mix that up real good. Alright, now we're just going to dump it on here. Oh yeah. Look at that. It doesn't really smell like Taco Bell though. You know, Taco Bell has that distinct smell. I don't smell it. This is the first time I've ever used it, but yeah, we're gonna see how it is, that's for sure. All right, now I'm just gonna let this stuff cook up. And bring you back in about, I don't know, a minute, two, and see how this is going. The meat is done. As you can see, it's dried out a little bit. No, it didn't dry out, but all that water, excess liquid is gone. So I'm gonna move this jalapeno down over here. I'm gonna put this rack right here, so it's out of the way. I wanna move this meat over here, so it can kind of stop cooking. All right, there we go. Now what we gotta do, you know what? I'm gonna clean up this area right here to do my tortillas, bring you right back. So 2 tortillas, flour tortillas, just gonna put them on there, get one side a little warm. Then I'm gonna flip them, start putting some cheese on them so that can melt. And then we fold the hard shell taco shell into the flour shell. And yeah, that's how we're gonna build these things. So yeah, let's get it going. All right. You want a decent amount of cheese, so this is like the glue that's gonna hold everything together. So the cheese is melted, so come on in, see how I'm gonna put this thing together, and we'll get it going. All right, these things are ready. Ooh, hopefully it's not too hot. Let's try the Baja sauce. Let's try that one first. Looks really good. Oh, awesome. That's pretty good. That is pretty good, that sauce. Really good flavor. Actually, the meat's pretty good. It does not taste like Taco Bell. It's better than Taco Bell. I made it. That cheese, real creamy, and it is holding that shell in there pretty darn good. That's really good. Let's try this one with the sauce. Let's get this side. I like this one better. That ranch flavor, it's like just spicy ranch, but just put some Sriracha in there. That is pretty darn good. That's my winner. That's all I got, guys. I'm gonna clean up, get the family some dinner. Appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Demolish that thumbs up for me. Really helps out the channel. Subscribe if you like what you see, and let me know if there's something you want me to cook. I'm just working my way down a list. A lot of people recommended some stuff, send me emails and in the comments, so I'll get to it when I can. Thank you.